In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task for a specific contact using your CRM system. If you've been navigating through your CRM platform and are still uncertain about efficiently adding tasks for individual contacts, you're in the right place. This guide is designed to simplify the process, making it easy for you to track activities and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. To begin, you'll first need to access your CRM. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're comfortably situated on your home dashboard, look towards the navigation menu. You should see an option labeled CRM. Go ahead and click on that. The CRM serves as the heart of your operations, where all your valuable data is housed and organized. It's important to get familiar with this area, as it's from here that you'll manage most of your interactions and follow-ups with contacts. After clicking on CRM, your next step is to select contacts from the options available. By doing this, you'll be taken to a dedicated page that lists all your contacts. This section is set up to give you a comprehensive view of everyone in your database. You'll want to ensure you have a specific person in mind for whom you need to create the task. Locating your intended contact is straightforward, thanks to the search bar and filtering options available. Once you've identified the contact, focus on the box located next to their name and click on it. This action essentially selects the contact you're going to work with. It's important to confirm you've clicked the correct contact by double-checking their details. Mistakes at this stage can lead to records being incorrectly updated, so take a moment to ensure accuracy. With your contact selected, direct your attention to the task creation feature. You'll notice a button labeled Create Tasks. Click on it and you'll see a form where you can specify the details of your new task. Clearly define what needs to be accomplished by filling in the relevant fields. Being specific about task details is crucial. It not only helps you remember, but also provides clarity for anyone in your team who may look at this contact. After entering all the necessary information, review your input one last time. Double-checking ensures that you have all the correct information in place before proceeding. If everything looks good, click on Create Tasks once more to confirm the action. And that's it. You've successfully created a task for a specific contact in your CRM. This process is not just about task management, it's about maintaining organized, systematic attention to your duties, ensuring your follow-ups are timely and effective. As you continue to use your CRM, this skill will undoubtedly enhance productivity and keep you ahead in your professional engagements. Happy organizing, and see you next time.